So simulated data can, look too perfect. In the real world, we have chaos. We have outliers, spikes, and missing data. So in order to inject some chaos, it's as simple as just a few lines of YAML. Here we're specifying our outlier rate of 3% with a factor of 3, meaning that if the data is supposed to have a value of 20, it will jump up to 60. We're also injecting some duplicates, about 0.5% or 1.5%. And we're also specifying downtime events. So for sensor 2, we have a 4-hour downtime period. And for sensor 5, we have a 2-hour downtime period. We're also adding 3 tests for validation. We have 2 for ranges. So for temperature, we want to make sure it's between 10 and 40. And for pressure, we want to make sure it's between 20 and 45. And we're also checking these 4 columns to make sure that no nulls are there. Right now we're using mode warn, but we also have fail. So if any of these are triggered, it will just stop the pipeline. We also have quarantine that will remove the data and only process clean data, but we'll cover that in another video. Onto the notebook. All right, so let's run the pipeline. Run chaos. And you can see here we do capture the error saying that temperature contains 43, which is above our specified range. But it did not stop things from moving forward. Now looking at it side by side, clean data, we have 1,440 rows, chaos, a little less than that. And there we go, that's the visual that I showed earlier. This is the clean data, and this is the data with spikes. And downtown window. And this is just to show you, the sensors are running fine, but we set about 4 hours of downtime, which we see here in the visual, and about 2 hours of downtime, which we see here for sensor 5. And these are the duplicates that were added to our data set. And this is our validation and what it caught. Thank you.